So guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to fix Instagram notes not working. So first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store. Now try to search in for Instagram and make sure you have the latest update. So when you see update over here, tap on it to get the latest update. So after updating your Instagram app, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and scroll down below, and you're going to see Instagram over here. So use your finger to tap on it for some while, and these are the options that are going to appear. So what you have to do is to select this option, which is the app info. Now what you have to do when you get over here is to tap on notifications, turn it on. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. It's very important to do this. Just allow everything. So after allowing all this, select this one, which is the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Now go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So tap on power button, then you tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching.